Prime Minister Anutin Charnvirakul made a second visit to Hat Yai on Sunday, urging officials to accelerate relief efforts as heavy flooding continues to disrupt communities across southern provinces. As Prime Minister Anutin Charnvirakul arrived at Hat Yai Airport in the afternoon, he met with stranded travelers before heading to a temporary shelter at a municipal school. The Prime Minister acknowledged concerns over food shortages after supply routes were blocked on Saturday, November 22nd, but said deliveries from nearby provinces are now being restored and should no longer be an issue. He stressed that ensuring adequate food supplies remains the government's top priority during the emergency. There are 5 evacuation centers operating in the district. However, officials say many residents continue to stay with relatives rather than move to shelters. While floodwaters remain high due to continued rainfall, drainage toward the sea is ongoing. Meteorologists expect rainfall to ease in the coming days. The Prime Minister said financial assistance has been prepared with compensation set at 9,000 baht per eligible household. Songkhla is among many southern provinces declared a disaster zone this weekend. Other provinces such as Satun, Trang, Nakhon Si Thammarat, Pathalung, Pattani, Surat Thani, Krabi, Narathiwat, and Yala remain inundated. The Department of Disaster Prevention Mitigation reported about 1.5 million people from over 570,000 households affected.